Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to stake Bitcoin on Bybit. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your funding account. You can easily do it by hovering your mouse over assets at the top right, and here in this list you can find your funding account. Click on it and here it is. Of course, firstly, you need to buy Bitcoin on spot. You can do it right here, spot, and go to Bitcoin and buy it. And after that, transfer your Bitcoin from unified trading account to your funding account. And now we need to stake it. So to stake it, you need to go to the earn page. You can do it by clicking on the earn right here, or again hover your mouse over assets at the top right and click on earn right here. Now at the top right there is the go earn button. Click on it. On this page, Bybit earn, you can find the necessary coin or token. For example, type in the search box Bitcoin, and here it is. I advise you to read in the internet about fixed and flexible duration, but now just click on buy now for flexible savings. Here click on the stake now button. Okay, and this page will appear. So at the very top you can select the necessary amount which you wanna stake, for example maximum, and just below you can see the information about staking. For example, if you have less than 0.005 Bitcoin, you will get 2.40% per year, and in other cases you will get only 0.14%. After that you need to check this checkbox. I have read and agreed to agreement for Bybit savings, and now click on stake now at the very bottom. Now just wait a bit and that's all. Successfully purchased, and you'll be taken to the earn account page where you can see all your flexible and fixed savings. For example, now I'm staking Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT, and here you can see ARP and so on. And of course, by clicking on unstake, you can unstake coin. For example, like now I can unstake Solana or Bitcoin and so on. It's very simple to stake Bitcoin on Bybit. Hope my tutorial was really clear for you and helpful. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.